Who was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? A man born in the deserts of Arabia, with no army, no money, and no power. Yet today, over 2 billion people follow his message. But why? What made him so beloved? This is his story. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Mecca in the year 570, known as the Year of the Elephant. He was an orphan before he was even born. His father died before his birth, his mother when he was just 6. Raised by his grandfather, then his uncle, he grew up poor but always truthful, always kind. They called him as Sadiq al-Amin, the truthful and the trustworthy. At age 40, while meditating in the cave of Hira, something happened that changed the world forever. An angel, Gabriel, appeared and said, "Iqra, read." Terrified, he rushed home. His wife, Khadija comforted him and believed in him before anyone else. This moment was the start of the Quran, the final message to mankind. He was mocked, beaten, starved. His followers were tortured. He lost his uncle, he lost his wife. But he never gave up. He responded not with revenge, but with patience and love. Even when he entered Mecca victorious, he forgave the same people who tried to kill him. Today, 1400 plus years later, his name sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the most spoken name in the world. He taught us how to pray, how to treat others, how to live with dignity. Not with power, not with wealth, but with character. If you truly want to understand Islam, you must understand Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If this story touched your heart, don't stop here. Hit like red, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to Halal Vibes for more powerful Islamic reminders. Peace and blessings be upon our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.